The Body Shop with Meredith McDonough and Dr. Steve is brought to you by Allegheny Chesapeake Physical Therapy.
Good evening and welcome to this week's edition of The Body Shop with Dr. Steve. I'm Meredith McDonough, and tonight's topic is neck pain and how it affects so many Americans. Dr. Steve, what causes this?
Well, there's a lot of causes for neck pain, but one of the things that we do typically is we do abusive behaviors like postures. We put our neck in a bad position. Things like propping the phone between your ear and your shoulder, reading in bed, sitting at the computer for a long period of time, leaning on our hands while we're watching television. All of those can cause neck pain that we really don't want. If you can imagine that your head is like a bowling ball, because the average head weighs about 15 pounds. Put the bowling ball on top of your head. The best place to keep it is sort of balanced, so you're not sort of putting your head out, back, that kind of thing. Balancing that, holding it in a better position. If you think about putting a bowling ball way over to the side, that puts a strain on your neck and that can cause pain. Right. So abusive postures are oftentimes the problem.
Okay, so what can we do to change that? I know you said the imbalance and the stress, so what can we do to get rid of that?
First of all, you want to avoid those behaviors. You want to avoid putting your head in a position where that sort of bowling ball is off to the side in any bad posture. So getting rid of the pillows that prop you up when you're reading in bed, those kinds of things you want to avoid. And then actually simple exercises, simple postural exercises, strengthening the muscles that end up weak from those bad postures and stretching out others can help.
Okay, can you describe some of those exercises for us so we know what to do at home?
Sure. Probably one of the easiest things to do is find a wall, stand up against the wall, make sure that the back of your head, your shoulders, and your bottom are up against the wall. Stand as tall as you can, and then maintain that posture when you walk away. The other is a simple chin tuck, which is sort of taking your chin, tucking it in, feeling tall, hold that position, and then just back off a little bit. Tends to put the balance a little bit back, so your head's actually over your trunk, which is good.
Oh, great. Well, that seems simple enough. Do you have any other suggestions that we need to remember?
Well, avoiding abusive behaviors. So don't read in bed. If you have a television in your bedroom, get rid of it. It shouldn't be there. Don't sit at a computer for a long period of time. Get your vision checked so that if you are sitting at a computer, you're not reaching your head forward to sort of see things. And if you can, do the things that are going to help you by doing some simple exercises and good posture. Good posture will help you out.
Thank you very much, Dr. Steve.
You're welcome.
All right, and if you guys have any questions at home, all you have to do is call Dr. Steve at 1-800-NEW-SELF or log on to www.AlleghenyChesapeake.com.